They sold, and people got demolished. What up? What up? Got the glasses on, ready. I might need them. Pain on the streets, everybody. Pain. Delicious blood on the streets. Pain. Look at this, guys. Everybody, look at this. We got a beautiful mixed blood with carrot. Oh, yes. For those who are new, I'm not actually drinking blood. I'm drinking cranberry juice with carrot juice mixed with water and ice, right? But here on the channel, we call it blood on the streets, baby. What's up? Honestly, like, dude, like, over the last couple of hours, I've seen everything. Like, 4 traders were completely liquidated on Hyperliquid. You know how many people made tons of money with Hyperliquid? It's a coin. It's a blockchain. I never got into that. But I heard so many great stories, people making crazy amounts of money. Perfect. Perfect. Go make your money. But look at this. The market crash, each losing over $10 million. $18 million gone. $16 million gone. $15 million gone. $13 million gone. And this is just one of many, many, bro. This is just my main page. This guy is Jerry. I watch his videos, right? He's like, crypto is over. Someone just opened a Bitcoin short 30 minutes before Trump's tariffs announcement. Guys, the amount of insider trading, ridiculous. Ridiculous. Honestly. Those are the scammers. Those are the people that you should be worried about. Not us. We're not rich. The people that are making the most money are those. Who knew? Who knew? I didn't know. I didn't know. I saw it live with you, fam. The guy made $88 million, guys. Profit. Chosen in the house. What's up, brother? Good time to buy or wait for bigger drops. Thank you, Chosen. So happy to have you, bro. Welcome. It's the lizard people. Oh, the reptiles. I know. I mean, that's another conspiracy, and I'm not going to go there, but drop a like, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on the notification bells. Happy weekend. Happy Saturday. Oscar here. So they sold. And you know, right now they're selling. Some people are selling XRP. Some people are selling crypto. Cryptos are us, right? Check this out. Binance to compensate users after the technical snag. The sell-off followed the president's announcement of 100% tariffs on China, which triggered a mass exodus from risk assets and one of the largest crypto wipeouts in history. Devastating, guys. Absolutely horrific, right? And I posted, all XRP holders be like, I'm okay. I'm okay. Guys, I didn't have basically anything on leverage since, like, I went to Singapore on the 26th. I came back a couple days ago. I was just out. I was sick. I was sick to my stomach. I was destroyed already. I wasn't doing leverage. I was trying to recover. Thank God. I wasn't thinking about doing leverage. obviously you can go ahead, have fun, but nobody knew this was gonna happen, right? In a way, the way it happened. And that saved me and many people from getting liquidated, because I'm gonna show you, like, there's so many people that just got clapped, like in in every way. This was a massive liquidation event. The crypto crash yesterday. XRP raised a whopping 50% of its market cap in 30 minutes. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Time, XRP was worth $160 billion. By 5:20 p.m. Eastern Time, XRP was worth $80 billion, guys. What happened yesterday is not something to take it lightly. It is not something to say like, oh, whatever. No, because I know people watching me right now got demolished if you were doing leverage. There's nothing to stop it. Give me a second, fam. So, extreme manipulation. That was CC. It was a friend of mine, but it was CC. Hey, Oscar, don't speak the truth. It was CC. He's calling on me. Spooky Halloween. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Wait for at least $2. It will come. ETF decisions. Oh, guys, I'm so ready for the ETFs. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So come on over, guys. 1,000+ people here with us. Very happy to see you. Oh, this is so bad. This is so bad. I'm so happy YouTube doesn't know what it means, because I will get another penalty. This is so bad. Guys, I've heard people were taking their lives, guys. How could we allow that, guys? Honestly, like, let's put aside, how could we allow people just taking their life? I mean, I don't know. It's just like I see crypto differently, but I mean, how? Why are we allowing young people or anyone get to that extreme? If you're listening and you're one of those, please, my friend, don't do it. You know, I am someone that I lived Luna, FTX, the 2022 bear market, and you remember Bybit and the tariffs, and now this. I've lived through 5+ mega crashes, absolute mega crashes. So very happy you're here. Relax. Don't do something stupid, right? Don't do something that you're gonna regret. Like, we're here tight. Community's here together. Riverside in the house, TJ in the house, Chemo in the house. Welcome, guys. Very happy to see you. I lost nothing. High risk, greedy hearts. Same here in the crypto since 2019. This ain't nothing. I'll tell you something, guys. I'm very excited that, I mean, we held the line pretty well because it was just for a few minutes. It was just for a few minutes. It wasn't really that much. It was just a few minutes for sure. Crypto.com is so happy right now. BTCC, there it is. BTCC, there it is. I counted 1,000 traders that are down $100,000 plus today, and 206 traders that are down $1,000,000 on Hyperliquid. 358 of those accounts lost everything and have zero balance, including one person who lost all $19 million in their account. Leverage. Put in the chat. What's your experience on leverage? Because I have some good experiences. I made money on leverage. I made money. But if you're gonna do leverage, you cannot just sit relax and don't take a look at the macro. That's one of the reasons that I sound like a broken record every day making videos for you, fam, saying we're not moving, it's boring, we're still holding the line. Just keep an eye on the wars and Trump and China and ETFs and regulation. It's boring. People don't want to watch, people don't want to listen to it. Right? Now, I see some people telling me I've never done leverage. Leverage is a scam, and I don't trade. I invest and buy the dips. F leverage, too scared to trade. This is why I don't do that. Yeah. Very fair, right? I now will continue doing leverage, but I don't mind not making the biggest gains as long as I know that when I'm trading, we're not gonna have something like this. Also, like if you have $1 million in leverage, sometimes you're just asking for it. You're just asking for it. I mean, you have to be super smart. And you just have to be lucky sometimes because this happens. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Destruction. What's up, fruits and veggies in the house? Welcome, buddy. Stay strong. We have gone through this before. Wake up. Very nice to have you, buddy. Welcome back. My Pengu. Random. What is Dave saying? I just buy and hold. Make money. Then my spot back. What's up, Cheaper? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Ordis in the house. Welcome. You know, the thing is that T. Jacobs, stop losses. Any idea how many stop losses failed yesterday? Many failed. People have stop losses. They failed. What happens when it fails? You get liquidated. Simple as it is. Simple as that. And I've seen liquidations because stop losses fail. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. You know, lately I just been buying the dip and adding and adding and adding. Stops didn't work correct. Yo, Oscar, can't get enough of watching you, Paul, from Wales, UK. Shout out to UK. Hey, dude, I made so many great friends from the UK when I was in Singapore. Almost everybody. That was kind of something crazy because Americans, people from the US in Singapore, they're so hard to find. A lot of the people are from UK, Australia, Asia, of course, and it was just awesome, you know, talking to everybody and getting to know many people. But the UK, you guys are everywhere. I guess because you want freedom of speech, if you know what I'm saying, right? It's kind of crazy. And I had those conversations with people from the UK. I always like to hear from everybody. What's up, AU in the house? What did I miss? You missed a lot of liquidations. That's what you missed. Some people are saying lawsuits are coming. Chris Larson sold. No, dude, like I was saying yesterday, this is Ripple level selling. Obviously, we know they didn't sell, right? But it's a Ripple level selling destruction. Now we got more people. That's why I'm live right now, everybody, because I want to share. I want to like get from all the people everyone's perspective, yours that I have right here. The truth about this crypto crash and why it was the perfect storm for the biggest liquidation event in history. The reason this flush was so violent is because the risk factor in the market had grown a lot bigger than it seemed on the surface. Typically, euphoria and funding rates are associated with risk. But this case, the altcoin market wasn't euphoric. It was actually bearish, and funding was being disguised by hedge positions. So over the prior month, the entire narrative was that people from spot leverage because of Pumptober, right? A small unexpected trigger, in this case tariffs, which were underpriced by market and came at a time when equities were already overbought. Zcash. I don't have Zcash, Robert. I'm not into that one, but if you're making money with Zcash, wish you all the best, bro. I don't have Zcash. Combine that with the fact that many altcoin valuations are fugazi, and the result is a record-breaking wipeout. I'm not here to speculate on who blew up, but I also have a strong conviction some funds, market makers went under today. The perfect storm. Yeah, right now everyone is going to be coming in. There's another one here, guys. Breaking. Whales are dumping millions in Bitcoin. This was at 4 p.m. today. Bitcoin and Ethereum through Binance triggering 300 million in additional long liquidations. The price of XRP came down today a little bit. Yeah, we have more liquidations right now. Ooh, I'm talking got destroyed too. Solana 177. Oh wow, Solana is still very much down. Oh, look at this. Look at Solana price, guys. That is a pretty big dip for Solana. Ethereum down. Dogecoin, bro. And BTC 110. Algorand, Cardano. Freaking Shiba Inu, bro. Adding another 0. Oh, Shiba Inu. Sierra Chronos holding the line at 15 cents, guys. 15 cents. Jasmine. But right now, yeah, we're seeing some pretty big blows in the space, in our space. Question is, are we gonna come lower, right? Well, what do you think? What's up, Ghost? Good to have you, buddy. Welcome. Welcome. Poll in the house. Will XRP go lower or bottom is in? That's the question. Up only. Going lower, baby. Lock in. Send it! Mansoor in the house. Mansoor, brother, that is why you are where you are in my channel and in my group. That is exactly why. Welcome, brother, and thank you so much for dropping a mega bomb. A lot of people need it. Right now, people need some good news. Need a community, brother. 50 memberships in the house. Let's go, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate that a lot. Let me see. Ricky, what top signals you look at when Bitcoin top is here? I'm a bullish guy. The Bitcoin top, like if I wanted to go by the TA, $126,000, October 6th, that's when I was leaving Singapore. But I know that it's Pumptober, that we can go much higher. What happened today just came because of the macro and the tariffs and China coming in. Play the music, bro. We need some motivation. Mommy the Aka getting one. Awesome, brother. Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Mansoor blessings. Bro, when Mansoor comes in, you know something great is happening. John 316 in the house, bro. Welcome. Oscar, when would you consider getting back into longs? If you ask me that, you should know that anytime you can go back into longs depends when you're planning to exit and what's your TP. If my TP for XRP is 240, I could come in right now and get out at 240 and that's it. For that, I will need a 50x so I make money, because if I go with 5x so I don't get liquidated, you're not making money unless you got a big margin. But right now, honestly, I'm more enticed to just buy the dip and just hold the line, knowing that some whales are still selling a little bit, Whales are killing it themselves. What is this? This was September 26th. Ran. I saw Ran in Singapore. I saw the guy. Everybody knows the guy, of course. He's always there, with all the parties and stuff. Crazy. Let's continue. Let's continue seeing and finding some incredible knowledge. Once again, very much thank you to all my awesome new members. Thank you, Mansoor. Say hi in the Team Ramos Telegram chat, guys. Over there. Say hi, Mansoor. For sure, Godstrude in the house. Another big legend here. We'll go lower the emerging private ledger with retail. Once all the ETFs go into effect, XRP max out 450. Bro, I think I'm selling XRP right now, panic selling and saying quit it because this was a scam. I'm out. You think I'm going to do that? Never. This is the time to go in. Stupid, because I've said it like 1,000 times. Go in, go in, go in. I know. A clown, right? That's what people call me sometimes. But we're going to be okay. 90% of you guys don't do leverage. 10% of us, we do. We're going to make a lot of money. But I think you are adult enough to believe that what happened yesterday, nobody could have prevented. It happens sometimes. We wake up and we keep moving forward, right? It is just what it is. It is just what it is. Really, there's really not much to say, because when I saw a 120 XRP, I just couldn't believe it. You're telling me that we dropped 60% in one candle. Unheard of. Unheard of. Like, absolutely, unbelievable. Some support for this channel I'm following since 6 months ago. Nice content. Wishing everybody good luck. Thank you, Peter. Beckus. What is that? CHF. CHF. I like being a clown. Thank you. Stunning. CHF. What is that? CHF. Oh, Swiss franc. Wow. That's Switzerland. That's so cool. So happy to have you. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate it. As I travel the world, I, keep learning so much. That's pretty awesome. TJ in the house. Welcome, buddy. Man, pretty crazy. Swiss francs. Thank you, Peter. Why those iPhone stocks say XRP up 27%? iPhone stock, right? Those are the crazy ones. Hyperliquid shows that even the whales bled in this market. Over 6,000 whales got wiped out. 205 of them lost over 1 million each. In total, 1.23 billion vanished in hours. This wasn't just retail. It was whales getting liquidated too. some of the biggest players in the game went down with the tide. This is when you know it really hurt. That's when you know it really hurt to a lot of people, right? So it's not only us, the little guys, not only us. I laugh at people using leverage in crypto and losing money, buy, hold, and cold storage, ignoring to 2030. That's what I'm doing, bro. That's what I'm doing a lot. You know, you never go wrong. You throw it here, and you put it aside. And that's it. It's boring. People don't like it. People say, I'm not making money, Oscar. I'm going to watch someone else who can't make money. I keep accumulating and nothing happens. But then your $10,000 to your $50,000, your $100,000 of accumulated XRP or CRO or Bitcoin or whatever, Ethereum, something like this happens, and $100,000 becomes 50, 60, 70. Your position lost 30,000, 40,000. But guess what? You kept everything. All your XRP, you kept everything. The value came down, but you have it. That is what we mean and what we say about buy and hold. You don't lose it. Compare that to someone with $100,000 margin, leverage, with a like imagine opening the position at $2 with a 1.80 liquidation. 1.80 liquidation, and you're like, I'm fine. Nothing's gonna happen. Oscar says we're not going under 2. I've done my research. We're not going under 2. 180 XRP. I'm locked in. Up only, right? And it's October. Nothing bad can happen. Like, this is it. We're gonna make money, right? And yesterday, October 10th, you wake up, it's gone. Life happens, fam. It really happens. When you do that, you gotta have some stop losses. They get triggered. Sometimes they don't get triggered. Depends what kind of nastiness we're seeing in the market. What's up, Harry? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Let's keep watching. Let's keep finding some gold here. Look at this. Welcome. A whale on hyperliquid plays over 23 million of shorts at 449 as per CoffeeZilla. Exactly 1 minute later, President Trump announced 100% tariffs on China. The result was a $192 million gain on shorts just 30 minutes later. Are you kidding me? $192 million gain. We'd love to have you as my guest on the channel. What's up? Of course, send me a DM on X or email, buddy. Thank you so much. Diggers Gold. Send me a DM, bro. I don't want to see those comments, bro. Not that I don't want you to post. It's just that I don't want to. That's exactly what I was talking about earlier in the live, right? Please go ahead and seek help. Of course, I don't know if that's if you're playing or not, but I'm gonna take it seriously. Seek help. Don't do that, and try to take it. I'm not the expert, of course, in this, but I'm just saying, right? If you're here, you never know who's watching. We're here together, you know. Namaste in the house. Welcome, buddy. Happy to see you. Historically speaking, every time we have a liquidation event like this, we got to another all-time high. Robert, I got a big smiley face, of course, bro. Of course. We're gonna see a mega massive pump late October or sometime November. I know. Like today, people are devastated after this whole thing. This illustrates why I use long dated puts instead of trying to time things. That whale either had inside info illegal or got insanely lucky. Illegal? It's like you have a few, like $1, $2, $3 million or $500,000, and you're like, oh, Daddy Trump is about to tweet something. He's about to post something. He's about to tell something to the world. If I imagine, bro, like I don't know anybody at that level, but just imagine, oh, I hear the commander in chief is about to tweet something about China because 100%. 1 minute. 1 minute. Bro. It's not. We can't compete with that, bro. We cannot. But that is who we are against. Peter Shift. Oh, Peter. You know, we're going to hear something from Peter right now. Everybody, very happy you're here with us. Drop a like, consider subscribing to the channel, turn on the notification bell button. You can also vote on the poll right now that we have. What do you think is going to happen? We're going to go lower or that was the bottom? Tell me the comments and links down below. I want you to get some welcome bonuses. Besides doing trading, you can also buy holding the line on BTCC. Like that's what I do all the time, right? Buy and hold. So if you're looking for a place for an exchange, try BTCC, everybody. Right now, we do have a 3,000 XRP giveaway competition. So check it out. Links down below. My awesome moderators will also tell you right here. Jose, hey, Oscar, I survived February 3rd, April 2nd, yesterday, 1010 accumulate crypto family. Yes, indeed. Pump it up, 100%. That was definitely the bottom. I keep getting rejections trying to go lower. It's up from here. Nice. The manipulators are just making sure there are no leverage no leverage traders left for today. That expected to go up. Liquidate them yesterday and today. A wise man once said to me, if you need money, then get a job. Guys, this is gonna be an amazing chance for people to make the monies. Welcome, Sergio. Welcome. You will never get rich punching a clock. Just Maui. I know that very well. And that is why I'm going all in crypto. I have to. I honestly have to. Oscar, what do you suggest? HODL XRP as I'm not entering F and O. What is F and O? HODL, holding XRP is what I suggest. I think it's a great idea. Thank you, Godstrud. Peter Schiff says the following: crypto carnage continues. Bitcoin is below 110 and Ethereum is below 3,700. If Ether cracks down, it could crash to 1,500, nearly 70% below its record high. If that happens, Bitcoin could sink into 75%, 75,000. So what this guy is saying is absolute, nonsense. Right now, when people are at their lowest, Peter Schiff thinks that, because now it would just we crash now. Obviously, if we go to $1 Ethereum and $1 Bitcoin, everybody's gonna lose everything. Well, yeah, what a stupid prediction, right? No. I don't agree with that at all. If many ifs. I mean, he's happy. This is exactly what he wanted. I'll tell you why. I was listening to one of his spaces during the summer before July. You remember July was a beautiful, nice month. And he got the Bitcoin all-time high. He saw that. But yeah, I mean, I know why. Some crazy fudders are, of course, pretty happy right now. Really happy for sure. What is this? If you want to know how we were being handled by these companies when building Cerebro, Binance asked for 1 million cash to list. I honestly don't even think Binance knows his listing team is just basically cabbling developers. I think we paid Kraken 100 to 200,000 on top of token supply. Bybit took fast track of tokens plus 250,000. It's a filthy game. Disgusting and unethical. All the truths are coming out, guys. All the truths are coming out right now. Raise your hand if you're ready to go to war against centralized exchanges listing that charge 2 to 9% of token supply to be listed. I mean, you know how they make money, guys. You know how these centralized exchanges make money, for sure. It's easy after liquidating everyone. Keep building. Keep building what?
Nigga, we don't believe you anymore. Shut the fuck up.
Oh, no. Yeah, people are emotional right now. Very emotional right now. For sure. Oh, I remember this, bro. Jim Cramer, bro. September 29, buy crypto. Delete this, bro. Help us here. Delete this now, Jim. He said buy crypto. This guy don't miss. We should have known from this tweet on September 29 and his appearance same week on CNBC. Fast money pumping crypto that a massive wipeout was coming. It's just crazy, bro. It happens. It's exactly the reality of what's going on right now. The Fed rate cut odds just surged 98 6.3%. Oh, really? Open up. CME. We got 17 days to go for the next FOMC. Oh, wow. 98% for the cut. That's crazy. 98%. Oscar, honestly, you have lifted my mood yesterday while watching on your live crash. I was laughing because I knew it was gonna go up again. Sally, very happy to see you. You know, I was telling a friend what I'm offering is entertainment purposes only, you know? If I knew that crypto was going to come down, guys, I will tell you. If I knew crypto was going to go up, I will tell you. All we can do is prepare, right? All we can do is just like go through it, go through the punches, right? And I'm very happy that you see the reality, right? Because we're here. I knew that yesterday as we were dying, right? I knew I had to be here. And I just knew that I wanted to because at times like this, you know, we just see your investments go down so much. And if you have a chance, you buy the dip. You get in and you do not relinquish. You don't relinquish your values, your core values, right? That the blood on the streets that we talk about every single day, we embrace it. Why? Well, because at some point, I will be making 3 videos per day, 4 videos per day. Why? Why too many, Oscar? Because we're going to be massively pumping so big that I will just be serving you guys and getting more and more people because there's going to be more retail coming in. Yesterday, we have 5,000. Right now, we have 1,500, right? Because people know what happened already. But there's going to be some days that the need for more content and action and entertainment, right? It's going to be so huge that instead of collapsing, we're going to be exploding. And that's when, I mean, we'll be like, who got under $2 XRP, right? It's true. It's true. Some people predicted a 50% drop was coming. Great. One simple answer to all these type of people: just stay positive and get lost from crypto. Do not demotive others. Keep patience, guys. 100%. Thank you, Chipper. God's true in the house, Brandon. Haven't sold anything. Still got my 10 XRP back. You know, 10K. Good stuff. Now, I'll tell you this. I still hear people saying that you know, a bigger crash is coming, which somewhat ridiculous, right? During the Q4. Let's go ahead and take a look at returns. Bitcoin returns right now. So Q4 we got negative 9%. Q4 we have negative 3%. Right now for October we have Bitcoin negative 3% and Ethereum. So some blood right here for ETH. So this must change. You know, we are gonna see some green eventually, and you know, we still have a few like 20 days or so for October. I'm ready, right? I'm ready for what's to come. What's up, JV? Good to have you, buddy. Welcome. Oh man, they were signs. Exactly what we were just discussing. I mean, we were just discussing this a couple minutes ago. stacking assets, stacking, and buying and holding the line. That is what I'm talking about. Recently, we've noticed multiple posts circulating similar screenshots and claiming regarding risk control cases. Our support team has reached out to request UIDs to verify and assist. We've checked the account details. Is she the CEO as CSO? Shown the screenshots and confirmed that no such users exist. They're really going after, some exchanges, but the exchanges are replying, which is good. There's got to be, we got to keep it transparent and honest. Always got to keep it transparent and honest. This is another wake up call. You cannot trust Binance and other exchanges. Decentralized exchanges on XRPL are coming in fast. This will never have happened. This will never happened the way it did, and many could have cashed out if they wanted to. Instead, they were locked out, couldn't move. Sometimes it happens. Binance and Coinbase report degraded performance with transactions due to heavy market activity. When you see that, guys, I never use Coinbase for the same reason, and I can't use Binance because I'm in the US. So I wasn't experiencing this, right? Haven't sold any of the XRP you bought at 50 cents? Send it, bro. Loving it. I use Coinbase RIP. It happens. Tracking was running smoothly. That 4-hour candle went burr. I analyzed on Friday morning that it would go down in Europe, but it didn't have such a crash. Oscar, Bybit, now it's insane. They had zero problem. Bybit, good stuff for that. Thanks, guys. Oh, man. Well, it is exactly how and why we retest and we check, we have fun, and we enjoy because it's tough, but someone has to do it. And we always like to relax and have a nice time and open up mics and open up, the space. We're all going to be okay. We're still holding the dip. We're still holding the line. We haven't left. We're not leaving XRP. We're not leaving CRO, although it's down. We're not leaving all my crypto. And I think I can be confident that we're not going to see 1.26 XRP. But you see how delicate the market is when Trump speaks, right? And China and Trump, they signed an agreement not that long ago, guys. I remember that. Wasn't it like last month? China, US agreement. Here it is. June. Our deal with China is done, subject to final approval. With President Xi and me, full magnets and the necessary rare earths will be supplied up front. China, likewise, we will provide. China was agreed to, including Chinese students, yada, yada. We're getting a total of 55% tariffs. China is getting 10%. Relationship is excellent. Relationship is excellent. Thank you for your attention to this matter. So yeah, man, there was a deal. There was a deal. June. The US and China have reached an agreement on a 90-day pause. Yeah, because I don't know if you remember that China was increasing and then the US increased and then China increased and then increased and then increased and then increased. It just kept going up and up and up and up. And it's just the first year, right? So we have a bunch of issues, right? In the market is reacting a lot because of the tariffs. So yeah. Now we hope.
Jameson, everybody wants to make a deal and have a part of it, right? I know you and Howard and Scott are working overtime, making deals with other countries. Remember a few months ago, the press was saying, do you really have anybody of any interest? Well, we just signed with China yesterday, right? Just signed with China. We have everybody. We're not going to make deals with everybody. Some we're just going to send them a letter, say, thank you very much. You're going to pay 25, 35, 45%.
I remember that.
That's the easy way to do it. And my people don't want China. We have everybody. We're not going to make deals with everybody. We just signed with China yesterday, right?
So June, like July, August, September, 3 months later, more problems. And that's why, guys. So this was already done. This was already fixed. This was already understood. But now in reality, it changed. And when it comes to tariffs, Trump said, okay, 100% again, let's go. So just FYI. All right, now you know. Ooh! Closing the poll right now. Once again, Mansoor, if you're here, thank you, brother. Appreciate that a lot. Will XRP go lower or bottom its in? The answer, 54% people say it's going to go lower. Yep. Past news. Yes, Dreamy. I know it's past news. I'm just referring to what we knew it had already happened, but things change. Okay? Well, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and have something to eat. I'm a little hungry, but I want to say so thank you to my entire community. Chipper, I see you there. Thank you guys for stopping by and saying hi. Thank you so much for, the Ukrainian guy that I think got, I saw his story. So sad. But yeah, everybody, I appreciate you guys for being here as always. Thank you, Brandon. Please take care. Be safe. God bless you. And I'll see you next time tomorrow for Sunday Night Live, of course. But hopefully, we continue buying the dip and the prices stay very nice and attractive. Thank you, JB. Thank you, Ghost. Dangerous Dave. I see you guys. Catch you in the next time, fam. Peace. Let's go. Don't you know? Pump it up. One day, guys, it's coming in. Pump it up. Has to come in. We're not leaving crypto until we got a lot of money made. Cheers.